Hi there, I'm Kate from Faith, Hope and Laundry. Welcome back to this video. Today I'm making 3 different DIY and budget cleaners for your home. There's different reasons why each of us may choose to make some homemade cleaners. For me, it's more of a budget reason, but obviously if you're wanting less chemicals and something more natural in your home, then these would be brilliant as well. So we are making a do-it-yourself glass and mirror type cleaner, and then I've got an all-purpose cleaner that can be used all over your home, and then these ones here are some fizzing toilet cleaners, which is so easy to make. I've just put a little bit of a sort of Christmassy theme to these cleaners today, just using products that you've got in your home already, things that you'll definitely have in your pantry, and we're just going to mix these together and come up with some wonderfully smelling Christmassy themed cleaners for your home. So let's get going.
These super easy and effective fizzing toilet bombs are made using supermarket ingredients, and they smell amazing with essential oils of your choice. Starting with a base of baking soda, I'm adding citric acid, which gives the fizzing action to the toilet bombs, sodium percarbonate, which is a byproduct of hydrogen peroxide, and it's a natural whitening bleaching agent. Give this a good mix together. And now into this goes the essential oils. To give these toilet bombs a lovely Christmassy smell, I'm adding in orange oil, lemon oil, and a cinnamon spice mix oil. About a teaspoon or 30 drops combined of these oils, and give these a really good stir into the dry ingredients. You could use tea tree oil, otherwise known as melaleuca oil, for its antiseptic type properties. Pine oil or clove oil would also smell amazing. Next, you need to moisten the mixture just enough to get it slightly damp so that it can be shaped and will stick together. You can use a little hydrogen peroxide or dish liquid like I'm using here. Now, the mixture may fizz a tiny bit, which is okay. You just don't want it fizzing a lot or continuing to fizz if it gets a bit too wet. Add the wet ingredients little by little and mix well in between until you have a wet sand-like consistency and the mixture holds together when you press it. I've used approximately a tablespoon of wet ingredients here. This is now going to get pressed down well into a mould of your choice. I find the silicone ones are great as they're very pliable and makes it easy for the removal of the bombs once they're dry. A quarter of a cup of the mixture per toilet bomb is a good amount. Pop these into a warm space overnight to dry, and the next day when you take them out they should be nice and dry and hold very well together when you take them out of the mould. When you go to use these in your toilet cleaning, you just simply drop one of the bombs into the toilet. You will see it fizzing and you can just let it dissolve in the water and then clean your toilet as you normally would. They smell absolutely divine with the essential oils that you have used, and are just a really effective and natural way of cleaning your toilet, and so easy to make at home. The next DIY cleaning product is a scented all-purpose cleaner, and this can be used across all parts of your home. You don't have to worry about children helping to clean with it, and it is safe to use around pets, and it can be thrown together in literally a minute. So starting with a base of equal parts of white vinegar and water. I'm then adding in orange rind for extra cleaning action and some scent. A cinnamon stick and cloves will also add a Christmassy look and scent. Then simply add in essential oils of your choice. Lemon and orange will help to cut through grease, and that's what I have used in this one here. But you could add in fresh rosemary sticks, lemon rind, tea tree oil. It will all just add to the wonderful scent of the spray. You can also add a few drops of dish soap in as well if you like. Now if you can, leave this mixture to infuse for a few days up to a week, and then it will be ready to use, but you can use it straight away as well if you need to. It can be used for cleaning kitchen bench tops, walls, cupboards, general cleaning in the bathroom, toilets, hard water stains, rubbish bins, anywhere really, and it does not smell like vinegar. But just a heads up here, and just to take a note, if you do have a particular stone bench top or a bench top that needs specific cleaning products, then I would be careful about what you are using and just make sure that something like this is not going to affect any warranty on your stone bench top or cause any issues if you have a very particular type of stone. And the last super easy DIY cleaner is this glass and mirror cleaner. So into a spray bottle goes 1 cup of water, a 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, and 1/8 of a cup of isopropyl alcohol, which is otherwise known as rubbing alcohol. You can get this from any hardware store, but you do need to store it safely. It is highly flammable and not for children to have access to. Add to this mixture 1 to 2 drops of orange oil, or an oil of your choice, but orange or lemon is quite good for its degreasing effect. I have also added some lemon rind for extra cleaning ability. This works so well on windows, any kind of glass like glass tables, the front of oven doors, and mirrors. It is better if you use it when these surfaces are cool, otherwise it can streak. And do store it out of direct sunlight and children, of course. But this is another cleaner that is just super easy and quick to throw together when you have these simple ingredients at home already.
Thanks for watching this video today. Hopefully it will give you some inspiration to bring some more natural and budget cleaning products into your home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.